second act, that is Right to Information Act. It means RTI 2005. This act was enacted by the government in 2005. Right to information means if you want to get information about anything which is related to government department also, then you can get. So this act allows people to question the government department. Okay, in this what you have to do, you can file an RTI for any government department on any issue, on whatever you want. For this you have to file an RTI. RTI लगानी पड़ती है आपको एक गवर्नमेंट डिपार्टमेंट में, that you want to get information about this particular thing. Okay, suppose you're in college and you're giving your examinations and you have done your paper well. It means you can say कि you can get 60, at least 60 out of 100. You'll get surely. But when the result came out, you saw that you are fail. It means whatever the result you were desired for, but in actual that was not the result. It means if it seems or you feel कि I have to done in complete paper or I can get 60 तो easily, but how can I fail? So you can file an RTI. Okay, तो आप RTI फाइल कर सकते हैं. And whenever any government department, to which government department you have filed that RTI, if that government department, whenever that department receives that file, it must be replied or it must be answered within 30 days. जो government department है, it has to give answer that RTI within 30 days. So whenever they will give their reply, they will send a copy. Okay, they will send papers or a copy with that answer. ये लीजिए आपकी कॉपी, ये आपकी पेपर की कॉपी है. You can check that कि कहाँ पे आपकी मिस्टेक है और कहाँ नहीं है, कहाँ पे गलत चेक किया गया है या फिर you have done wrong. Okay, so you can take photocopies of that file also which you are filing for government department. Okay, and especially this is the benefit for those in rural also and in urban areas also. But in rural areas, what are rural areas mean? In villages. Okay, villages are called rural areas. So in rural areas, this act has proved a boon for them. Mean most important, most useful for, most beneficial for rural areas. So even in rural areas, people can get even minor details like about ration, why their ration has been reduced, why their ration is of poor quality, and why their ration has been delayed. कभी अगर किसी month late हो जाता है, then you can file an RTI and you can ask that why your ration has been late. Okay, why it is delayed. So these all things we can search or we can get information about any topic which is related to government department. We can say कि we can spot the corruption which is in the government department. उन्हें पकड़ा जा सकता है according to this RTI Act. Okay, so it is the most useful equipment in our hands to spot corruption. Okay, corruption mean bribe लेना, रिश्वत देना, या फिर जितना भी सामान आ रहा है लाइक राशन, उसमें से आधा वो खुद रख लेना पीछे से. So if you file an RTI, they have to give answer कि वहाँ किन्होंने कितना भेजा है, कितना दिया है. You will get your answer of all queries. Okay, So this was right to information. If you want to get informed about anything, you can file an RTI for that against that government department. So this was RTI. I hope this is clear to you all, and it is also an easy topic. I hope this is clear to you all. And there is one question also from this topic. Right to Information Act. This act was enacted by the government in which year? In which year? Yes. So this is one question only for this video. Or you can tell any two uses. Like I have told you about the paper copy and like ration. You can write any two other examples, or if you have got this example, you can write these also. Second question is, write two examples or write two types of case which you can file to mean against our government department. So these are your two questions. First is, RTI Act was enacted in which year? Okay. And second, give two examples or the types for which you can file RTI against government. Okay, these are the two questions. You have to write answers in your class of notebook or write it in typed form and send it in the group. I hope this topic is clear to you all.